now students, we have to learn between interchanges between the states. So there are 3 states. We can just learn that there are 3 states, that is liquid, gas and solid. So liquid, solid, gas. So fine. So you can easily interchange these 3 states. Easily interchange. So you have to take some ice from your freezer. If you take this in a specific position on a humid situation, on a normal temperature like our India, like our state, so it will after some time it will melt into a liquid state, and after some time if you put that water, that liquid state of ice means gives you water, this water if you keep this in a over a oven, then after giving some heat, it will give you a vapor. So there is a easily interchanging between these states. You can easily do this at your home. Fine. So now on the basis of science, there is a cycle: solid, liquid and gas. First of all, from solid to liquid, if you go from this side, that is the clockwise side, solid to liquid, we can do this operation, that is fusion. Fusion means when there is a sugar, solid as a sugar, it will gives you the liquid on the basis of fusion. Fusion means there is a specific experiment called the sodium water. If you are going higher level in the chemistry line, so you can do the first year, you can do the sodium fusion. So what will happen on the basis of some different, I will elaborate in a simple tone, normal basis. So if we take the sodium and there is some fusion, you have to heat and then break to the with the help of water, and this will gives you the fusion state to the liquid. One more thing, there is a different thing. Always remember, sodium can't be added with water. It will give you the harm. So never do this. Sodium and water, you will learn that in a broader sense. Sodium and water will not be mixed up, will not be reacted. It will reacted vigorously. So this is a different thing. So now next one, liquid to gas. Simple thing, evaporation. If we put the liquid over an oven, then it will give you the gas on the basis of evaporation. Simple thing, without the oven. If you pick or take this beaker, and after 1 week or 2 weeks, you can, if take now this is only 50 ml, 70 ml. So this is a 70 ml. You can see that 70 ml. After, if you just today, you can mark with a marker this level of the water, but after some times, after 1 month, let's see, so after 1 month you can observe the level of the water get decreased, and so what will happen? Obviously the evaporation happened because of some presence of the heat of the atmosphere gets higher, then the water, liquid water goes to the evaporated level, that means the gaseous level, right? Next one, gas to solid. How can we get the solid from gas directly? So it will, deposition helps that. Next one, the anti-clockwise mode, that means solid to gas. I will discuss it later. So from gas to liquid, simple thing, gas to liquid, there is normal condensation that will normally like if we take a boiled milk in a container and put some lid over it. After some time you can easily observe opening the lid, that is under the lid there are lots of droplets of water. How this is happening? Because of the touch of the boiled container, that there are lots of vaporous gaseous vapor or water vapor in our surroundings, and this water vapor will attach with the container and it gets condensed to the liquid. Next one, liquid to solid, solidification. Simple thing, solidification helps freezer or any type of fridge helps solidify from liquid to solid. If we take any type of water or any type of liquid, it can give you the solid like as ice after solidification with the help of fridge. Now most important thing, solid to gas, this is something else. So solid to gas, this is the sublimation. So what is sublimation? There are different terms, sublimation. Now we all use in our home use, that is naphthalene. You can see or not see, your parents can use this naphthalene. Naphthalene is a thing that is, if there is naphthalene, there is a lots of ball of naphthalene. There are lots of ball of naphthalene like this. You can buy that. So there are naphthalene. After some time, if we put that naphthalene in a normal mode without covering anything, after some time you can observe that the size of the ball of the naphthalene get decreased. How can that possible? There is no liquid of the naphthalene present here, because that solid goes to the gas by the process of sublimation directly without changing the state of the liquid. This is most important thing. The solid to gas, by the point of sublimation, it will directly, naphthalene directly goes to the solid state from liquid state. It is a very important question.